So how do you put a price on a restoration? I'm interested because I know how much this has cost, and anyone who's done one themselves would probably know how much it's cost, especially if you've done it to the level that I've tried to do this one to, which is pretty much stripped most of the way down, stripped bare, and everything's been replaced that needed replacing or refreshed. If you've seen the videos, you'll see what I've done. It was pretty much, I guess, 5 months of weekends. I work every day, so I work 5 days a week in my other business, and then I do the weekends doing this. So that's 7 days a week, which is pretty hard on the family as well, I guess. So 320 hours roughly for the restoration, and $15,000 worth in parts, which I've got all the receipts and blah blah blah. So if you use the mathematic way, it'd be $32,000 roughly if you go $100 an hour workshop hours, 32,000 for the labour, and then 15,000 for the parts. But no one in the right mind is going to pay that, unless it used to belong to their granddad and they think, well, money's no object, we just want the tractor going. So that adds different value. But for normal Joe public, you and me, what would you pay? What would you pay for a tractor? If you was doing it yourself, you know exactly how much it costs you in parts, same thing, and labour. But most people's labour's free if they've got all the time in the world. Free-ish anyway. So what's it worth? Who knows? How about if you stick a comment down below for me, let me know what you'd pay for a Mintaz tractor like that little fella there.